My name's Ella and I work as a sustainability manager at Pinnacle Investment Management Group. We have 18 different investment management firms that fall under us, and so supporting each of them along their individual and independent journeys towards sustainability as well. Bring that all together on a Pinnacle level for our own company and our own journey towards better practice. Increasingly, we're seeing sustainability and carbon accounting and the transparency around that information being essentially just good risk mitigation at the end of the day, and being able to calculate and demonstrate our commitment and using a platform like Sumday to do that is providing that real transparent baseline that we can then start to really set more goals and set more targets and be held accountable to that. I've been really impressed by just the receptiveness and how, quick and collaborative the team has been. I learned a lot just through having those videos along the side in terms of how I can convey the importance of why we're doing this. Platform like Sumday provides that ability to ensure that you're not missing things or overlooking things, and ensuring that you're providing that justification as to what you're considering material, how you're defining your emissions boundary, and how you're approaching your journey, and having confidence that you are doing it the correct way. As increasingly requests are coming in for me in my role to be carbon accounting for each of our affiliates, there's one of me and there's 18 of them, being able to do that at scale and being able to do that efficiently and being able to do that in a professional way, it's been a real game changer in the way that we're approaching that and able to bring our whole group alongside that journey with us. The way that Sumday has integrated with Xero makes it a really streamlined import so that we can, set the time frame, import in all those general ledger expenses from an allocated account that we're looking at. That integration has been a real game changer in streamlining that process and also ensuring the consistency in how we're assigning emission factors and being able to keep a record of, okay, for this line item here, what have we assigned in the past and how can we ensure that we're keeping that consistent into that overarching purchase goods and services category has been really valuable for us. The AI feature just made it so much easier to then be able to just type in around about what we're looking for and the drop down to populate all of our options without needing to get the exact wording right just helped in terms of the efficiency of being able to just more effectively reconcile, in some cases, 20,000 line items that we're having to get in some form of category. That was a real value add as well. I'm really proud of the uptake of Sumday as a platform. As a group, we're really committed to tackling these issues and to be doing that together. I think that has been a really strong win. To be working alongside Sumday, to be bringing in, a couple of webinars and looking at ways that we can be helping to build that knowledge and awareness and that passion on sustainability throughout our business. And I think that is a key area where I'm excited to be working closely with Sumday on, and that will be, over the coming years, a bigger aspect, I think, of Pinnacle's work as well, to ensure that as we're growing, that we're bringing everyone along this journey with us.